I just woke up from my nap. Oh, cool. It's nighttime. Well, I think I heard someone open the door while I was sleeping, but I don't really know. I think it was my mom or dad. Oh, hey. Furniture? What the? Didn't even notice these were here. Oh, I guess my parents brought me stuff while I was sleeping. Cool. They got me new stuff. Oh, they got cookies for me too? Oh, how sweet of them. I'll thank them later. Got the living room. Oh, TV. Yeah, whatever. Pretty dark. It's kinda nice. And why is there a book on my back? I do not know. I'm not gonna question it. I feel like I'm the only one who lives here in the neighborhood, but my parents live next door. And now he really needs to get a door. Oh, they brought the washer machine in. Cool. Okay, why do I have two book and clothes? I don't know. Yeah, let's see what's on the computer. It's Mine Bay. These stuff are useless. Printer. Cool. Print stuff. I don't know how to work this printer. Printer, whatever. Oh, nice balcony. Oh my god, don't fall, don't fall. Don't fall off. Parkour. I'm gonna lock this. About the lock. Okay. It's the struggle. Ooh, I'm a zombie. Run. I'm a zombie. I look like a zombie. Time to eat some. Oh, they left me some toast. Cool. Not hungry, but sure. Guess I'll have a cookie. Where's the fridge? Oh, it's right here. I forgot. Toast. Take one cookie. Okay. I'll get that later. Get it. I can't reach. Guess I'll wash my hand. Blah. Cookie. Just give this cookie to my parents. Leave it outside their door. Yeah. I think they're sleeping, so I'll be sneaky. There. Places. Yeah, place the napkin. This one napkin. Bye. I think they heard me, so I better go quickly. Anything in my mouth? Nope. I just wanted to know though. Dishwasher. Don't need to clean anything. I'll clean these. Wash. And it was a real washing. I'll just put in the sink. Plate man. Wash. These are good. I'm gonna put these in the cabinet. There. Guess I should buy some like glass cups, I guess, for like drinks. What should I have for dinner? Let me take out a plate that I just put back and wash. I'm gonna have to wash again. Steak and chicken. That's good. It's a full meal. Put more. Oh, whatever. Nom nom nom. I'll save these for later because I don't feel like eating. Wash, wash, wash. Wash. Oh, guess that can work. I don't think there is. They brought some stuff, but not all of it. So I'm gonna have to add more. These lights are floating. Cool. There's a ghost in my house. Cool. Guess I'll watch TV. Villager news? No, thank you. This looks interesting. Ah, you got punched. Rest in peace. I think the downstairs TV is on. It is. Turn it off. Okay. It's cooking. Oh. Oh, what the? Guess I'll stop watching TV. I'll just leave it on. Okay, hold on. Okay. Well, time for school. Woo!